Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a custom Evite invitation on Evite. Yes, to create an invitation. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Evite account and search for the so you can choose any template here. Obviously this should be selected as invitation. Then you can choose any let me say it's graduation. Let me just choose birthday. So you can select the section you want, click on it, and select a template that you like. So once you select the template, okay, the page is having issues. Okay, good. So once you see a template you love or like and you want to customize it, just go ahead to click on it. Remember, there are premium and free versions, so you can just start with the free version. You can click on this. So once you click on it, it should bring you to a page similar to this where you can edit them appropriately. So you can click on this text icon. You're invited to, you can add your text here. You can choose your text style. Let me just choose this one. You're invited to, let's just put and then you can select the color of choice. You can then click on next event. You cannot choose background and effects, envelope and reviews, because that is for paid subscription members. Now you can proceed to add the title of the event. If it's a birthday party, a graduation party, a get together, you can also select your date and time here. Select the meridian time, and you can also choose the name of the host. You can also add your guest of honor here and add your co-host here. You can choose your location and add a note if you want to from the host. And then next you can choose on the gifting. So this gifting area is optional. If you want to add a gift to where to for people you are in, for your invitees, you can do that, or you can just click on next, which is to review your invite so far and correct any mistakes that might have occurred. So you can just give an appropriate title, a date, and add every other detail. So once you are done, click on finish and add guests, and then you are good to go. So this is how to create an invitation on Evite. If this video has been helpful to you, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day.